Hi guys, I am your host from hairsite.com, one of the world's largest and longest running websites for hair loss and hair restoration. Today's video is produced in collaboration with Dr. Cole's Hair Clinic. Dr. Cole is a top-ranked hair transplant surgeon on Hairsite, famous for his FUE hair transplant technique, and well, more recently, he also produced some amazing hair restoration results using ACell, Platelet Rich Plasma hair therapy, and even scalp micropigmentation, or SMP, procedures. So today's topic is hair transplant strip scars repair. Strip scar is a universal problem for hair transplant patients. You can get a pretty good idea by looking at some of the photos here. The thing with hair transplant is that even if you go to the absolute best doctor, best clinic in the world, and have a totally flawless procedure, you just still cannot escape the problem of hair transplant scars for as long as you choose strip or FUT procedure. And by the way, for those who are new to this, FUT stands for follicular unit transplant. It's also sometimes referred to as strip technique because the procedure does leave a linear strip scar in the back of the patient's head. It's something that no strip hair transplant patient can really escape. I mean, you'll get a strip scar in the back of your head regardless of how successful your procedure went. The scar may be wide, it may be narrow, or it may be pencil thin if you are lucky, but you are guaranteed to get one for sure. Living with a hair transplant strip scar can be a huge inconvenience for some people. The scar can stretch or widen over time, plus you are forced to wear your hair long in the back of your head for the rest of your life in order to hide the scar. Going to your barber can be an embarrassing ordeal too, because you constantly have to remind your barber to keep the hair in the back long, or your strip scar will be exposed. Over the years, there are countless hair transplant patients looking for ways to fix their strip scars. Well, today we are going to show you probably the best ever strip scar repair ever featured on hairsite.com. The repair work was done by Dr. Cole at his clinic in Atlanta, Georgia. Now, here are some of the before and after photos. Wow, Dr. Cole is really setting a new standard for strip scar repair. What you see is Dr. Cole putting 447 FUE grafts into the patient's strip scar in order to break up the scar tissue. And to bring the result to the next level, Dr. Cole also performed SMP, or scalp micropigmentation, on the scar to create the final result you now see in this video. As you can see, the strip scar literally disappears in front of our eyes. I can't even trace signs of the original scar even up close. It's amazing. For Dr. Cole to be able to accomplish this using only 447 grafts is astonishing. It cost the patient relatively insignificant to have this agonizing problem solved. I mean, what a big headache cured from this person's life. And now the patient can wear his hair short and he never has to feel embarrassed at barbers. And that's a luxury that every strip hair transplant patient wants to have. So, if you are watching this video, you are probably one of the countless hair transplant patients out there who are also living with a strip scar in the back of your head. To find out if you are a good candidate for repair procedure, contact Dr. Cole's clinic for a free consultation. No fee, no cost, just good, honest information. Dr. Cole is a sponsoring and top-ranked hair transplant surgeon of Hairsite with over 13 years of uninterrupted patient records in our community. And you can find his contact information at the end of this video.